Hi friend, do you set goals for next year? Most of us do, but very few execute on New Year resolutions and follow the plan. Most New Year resolutions fail because they are more like daydreaming without a plan to reach the goal. We need two things to achieve our goals: will to do that and strategy to stay on track. Here is what I learned after endless failed New Year's resolutions. Cold. So, set the goals you really want to reach and be honest with yourself and ditch the goals from your to-do list which you think would be nice to have. Let me give you example with my, for example, reading goal. I had read more books in my resolution list for a while, but frankly I never really care about that, and it doesn't matter do I hit that goal or miss that goal. I wasn't really satisfied or really happy or sad about the result. For this year I have three main focuses: growing on YouTube, growing my independent app development or passive revenue, and travel more. For traveling I'm already trying to fix that. We are outside of my hometown traveling right now and trying to work on all the other goals as well. But goals like that are really vague and we have to be more specific. So it's getting cold here. Let's move around. Nu-că se dau mega So, setting goals is easy, but real challenge is to set metrics and track those throughout the year.
Lai labi garšo, es tulīt uzsildīšu vēl karstos dzērienus.
Jā, labi, paldies.
Metrics, of course, is not so easy. For example, I would like to hit 50,000 subscribers on this channel eventually. I don't know, in this year, any other year. But I can't impact subscriber numbers. Of course, I can ask to subscribe to the channel and so on, but that doesn't really work. But what I can do, I can concentrate on video quality and video amount. And for example, for next year, I want to publish 50 good videos. And with that plan in mind, I can start to execute. Publish video every week, measure results, take a look on analytics, see if you like or don't like those videos. And I can speak for myself to see if I like that video as well. The same for traveling, that's even easier. If I will make 3 trips in this year, so I will count that as success. But yeah, I just have to execute on my goals. Well, so, what was important to succeed with goals? Write them down, have measurable goals, kind of metrics, but in my opinion, most importantly, it is to say others about your goals and not your friends, but find accountability buddies. It is much easier to break promises for yourself, for most of us, but it's harder to break promises if you are kind of giving those to others. But do not share your goals with your friends, because your friends will can grade you with your new you, all your good decisions, and you will feel false feeling of accomplishment. That doesn't help at all. You should find accountability buddy. For example, my wife, she's my travel buddy and she's my gym buddy, and we are motivating each other to go to the gym, to do not skip gym day. And yeah, as a travel buddy, we are planning our trips together. We are traveling together and keeping each other accountable when it is necessary to take vacation, take a break from work and go for a trip. For YouTube, I have my YouTube buddy Burhan. We have weekly meetings with him and we're discussing whatever we have to discuss about YouTube. So basically we are helping each other to work on our YouTube goals. In the app development and passive revenue goal is most tricky one in my list for next year, because I don't have accountability buddy for that or accountability group, but I started live streaming in last year and that really helped me. I had goal to get into the 1,000 in revenue and did that, so that's huge win. In this year I would like to reach 5k in revenue, but I will be quite happy if I will land on 3k as well. So kind of, there was saying target the moon, and then you will land, in the worst case scenario, you will land between stars, something like that. In 2021 I spent quite a lot of work on startup, which is not generating revenue yet, so I burned quite a big hole in my savings. I have to heal that in 2022, so that means more freelancing. But yeah, I hope I will find balance between freelancing, streaming, working on my own goals and so on. So let's summarize how to make next year the best year yet. Write down goals which you really like to achieve, have a timeline for them and track your progress, and create support systems for yourself. Have accountability buddies, mindset groups, something like that, to make it easier for you to achieve those goals. And yeah, this is not night yet. That is how days looks in Latvian winter. It becomes dark really fast. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next one and have a great year.